Welcome to the Python 101 lesson in Minecraft education. So in this first lesson, you need to help a software development company called CodingMine. They need assistance in finding and fixing all of the bugs in the software they create. You will be responsible for using the correct syntax and finding and correcting errors in other existing pieces of code. In this lesson, this is your spawn point, the location where you begin gameplay. And you need to talk to the CEO. So to talk to the CEO, you right click on him and you read the instructions that are there. And it's very important. I always tell my students, read the instructions that you are given. So make sure to read the instructions from the CEO. With the CEO, there is what is a reader that you can click on that will read out the instructions to you.
Oh, it's very nice to see you. I am the CEO of CodingMine. CodingMine, a company that makes a huge variety of software.
Software. However, we are having a bit of trouble with some of the code.
Once you've read the instructions, you walk into the room to begin. And the first activity requires you to figure out which one of the commands on the computer monitors in the room is written correctly. There are 4 monitors that you need to check. But firstly, you need to talk to the developer who needs your help. So after you have read the message, click on the X in the top right corner to continue gameplay and to have a look at the computer screens. To check the commands, open Code Builder by pressing C on your keyboard, then type in the exact command shown on the monitor. It is helpful if you split your screen instead of keeping Code Builder in full screen mode, so you can ensure you are typing the command exactly as shown. And if the command is not correct, you will notice something at the bottom of the screen. In Code Builder, you can look at the problems identified and expand the section. It will give you the exact issue with your code. Go from computer to computer, check all the computers and see which one runs correctly. Once you have identified the correct command, there is only one correct one. You will return to the computer station. You will press the black button located to the right of the computer screen. And to press it, you can right click on it or use the tap button if you're on a touch device. And you will see a congratulations, activity 1 of 3 complete. Then you need to move to the next room and begin activity number 2.